Have you ever heard of mindfulness? It might sound obscure or a bit odd, but it's really a basic skill that all humans naturally possess. Hi, I'm Crystal Loup from the Student Health Center's Office of Wellness and Health Promotion, and I'm here to guide you through the practice of mindfulness to help you reduce stress and anxiety, connect with your senses, and feel more present in your daily life. Mindfulness involves three basic components. 1. Be fully present in the moment. You'll need to slow down for this part and reduce distractions. 2. Notice what's happening in and around you. This involves really tuning into your thoughts, feelings, and sensory experiences. Use your senses of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch for this part. 3. Refrain from judgment. I like to think of this part as simply observing. I'll give you an example. Right now, I feel a little nervous. Rather than allowing this feeling to overwhelm me, I'm simply going to observe it for what it is, a feeling that I'm experiencing in this moment. This part can be different or even challenging at first, but like any skill, mindfulness takes practice. So whether you're walking around, on campus, cozied up in your bedroom where you can really relax, mindfulness skills can be practiced anywhere. Want to learn more? Schedule a stress management appointment with one of our wellness coaches, attend an emotional wisdom seminar, or check out some of our self-help options on our website. Thanks for tuning into this Tiger Tip. And remember, we're here to help keep you roaring.